Okay, so this time I touch my partner's base, I feel their feet. Then as soon as I feel that line, I want to start dissolving what I feel inside his body. And just get my partner to the float. Once I've done that first round and I've floated him, I touch again and I listen more deeply. So here I'm finding like a heavy scar tissue sort of tension underneath his scapular shoulder area. So what I want to do is I want to touch that and just soften that area out. So you notice he's floating from that corner where I'm emptying him out the most. So this astral breathing and creating space astrally. Now the camera might not show it, but that shoulder is sort of twitching as it's releasing. And this is a really, really good sign because the energy is coming up and then sticking back in, coming up and sticking back in, and then it's gradually releasing and dissolving. Once you've spent a few minutes releasing that area for your partner, then you can look at any loosening exercises, massage exercises to physically let it out, and then your partner can practice moving and realigning his body to that absence of tension so he can actually take ownership of not having tension in that part of his body. And then you move on to the next part of the body. You go back, you touch the base. Now just across the inside of his hip here, there's like a tension there he hasn't got as much flexibility as he used to. So I want to feel that tension. Just dissolve that tension around his hips. Once my partner's balance is gone, I want to keep that openness feeling between every repetition of dissolving. Just keep dissolving this stuff out of his body, cleaning it up. Once I've given a direction to his balance to move as I'm dissolving, I can dissolve outwards in all directions, and because his balance is slightly back off the central axis, he'll continue to fall that way. And I'm just using it as a signaling system to go deeper and deeper. Now, any point of tension in a person's body changes as their balance changes. So I always want to move them out of balance so I can get different angles of perception of what I'm releasing. Because a person's stabilizers will reveal different aspects of the tension that you're dealing with inside your partner's body. Okay, so I've gone through that hip. Now he's got a lot of tension on his feet. So what I want to do is just get right down to his feet, feel the soles of his feet, feel his toes, and especially around the inside of his arch, moving up the inside of his ankle. There's a weird alignment there and a type of injury tension. So I want to touch that and then just relax astrally into it. Now at this point I'd get my partner to just change his ankle alignment, hollow the arch just a little bit more, and check your ankle alignment, especially in your left leg. So then I'd go back into it. Now just dissolve that tension in his foot. And then in this way we go through a therapeutic training of just releasing our partner's body. Now we could do a foot massage at this point, massage any physical tension out, look at the alignment, do any loosening exercises in the ankles and feet. Whatever other skill sets you have in relation to healing, you'd be implementing them and blending them across while you're doing this. And one of the reasons, it's not just for health, but if you want to be good at Tai Chi, you have to remove anything that the person can feel inside your body. When someone touches you, they're going to feel your weaknesses, not only in health problems, but types of tension, where you're strongest, gaps and hollows in your body, differences in muscle strength lines. They'll go, oh, you're powerful there, you're weak there, I'll attack the weak place. You want to remove the ability for your partner to see any of that. By doing this type of these sessions with your partner, where they work on your body, you work on their body, you dissolve all their stuff, you can get much better at Tai Chi and internal arts, much faster rate, because you're not holding inside your body. It removes vulnerability and improves health. Okay, thanks for your time. See you on the next video.